How the human body works. A journey inside ourselves. Have you ever paused for a moment to think about what's going on inside your body right now? At this very second, your heart is beating, your lungs are expanding and contracting, your brain is firing off millions of electrical signals, and your stomach might even be digesting your last meal, all without you having to think about it. The human body is a magnificent, complex machine, and today we're going to take a deep, emotional, and fascinating journey to understand how it all works. To begin with, let's talk about the control center, the brain. The brain is not just where we think, it's where we feel, where we dream, where we remember. It weighs about 3 pounds, but it's responsible for everything we do. It sends and receives signals through billions of neurons, helping us move, speak, sense the world around us, and even experience love and fear. But the brain doesn't work alone because right beneath it lies the spinal cord, a highway of communication that links the brain with the rest of the body. So while the brain is the command center, the spinal cord is the pathway that delivers every order. Connected to that is our nervous system, which spreads through our entire body like an intricate network of roads. It allows us to feel a warm touch, respond to danger, or pull back from something painful. However, for any action to happen, we need energy. That's where the heart and lungs come in. Your heart, about the size of your fist, pumps blood through a massive network of veins and arteries. With every beat, it sends oxygen and nutrients, carried by the blood, to every cell. Yet it wouldn't be possible without the lungs, which bring in fresh oxygen every time we inhale, and remove carbon dioxide when we exhale. These two organs work in perfect harmony, without rest, from the moment we're born until the moment we die. But let's not forget the digestive system. Every bite of food goes on a long journey from the mouth to the stomach and then through the intestines. Along the way, powerful acids and enzymes break food down into nutrients, which are absorbed and delivered by the blood to where they're needed most. Even the liver and pancreas play silent but vital roles, filtering toxins and regulating blood sugar levels. And while all this happens, the immune system works in the background, like a loyal guardian, ready to fight off viruses, bacteria, and anything that might try to harm us. It's made up of white blood cells, lymph nodes, and various defense mechanisms that remember past invaders and respond quickly to new ones. Meanwhile, our skin, which we often take for granted, is the largest organ in the body and our first line of defense, protecting everything underneath. Yet the story doesn't end there, because our muscles and bones give us the ability to move, stand, and live our daily lives. More than 600 muscles work with over 200 bones to help us walk, run, lift, and create. And while muscles provide strength and movement, bones support our shape and protect our internal organs, like the skull guarding the brain, or the rib cage sheltering the heart and lungs. Let's also appreciate the reproductive system, which allows life to continue from generation to generation, and the endocrine system, which uses hormones like messages in a bottle, controlling growth, mood, and energy. And finally, the kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste and maintain balance in our body fluids. All of these systems, brain, heart, lungs, muscles, skin, bones, and more, work together like a perfectly coordinated orchestra. Each part plays its own role, yet they rely on each other to keep the music of life going. When you really stop to think about it, the human body is not just a machine. It's a miracle, a living, breathing miracle that has evolved over millions of years to become what it is today. So next time you feel tired or frustrated with your body, remember the silent miracles it performs every single moment. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, it's all part of an incredible system working just for you. And the more we learn about how the human body works, the more we understand how amazing it is to simply be alive.